Take that thing right there, that piece of paper that's on the refrigerator.
What's it say?
Read it! Wager presented between Michael Richard and Peter Richard, 2006-2007, New England 420 Crew Football League. Whomever shall finish with a higher score in Sporting News Fantasy Football than the other shall receive a full vehicle cleaning inside and out, whilst the cleaner wears a dress and would be subject to humiliating photos and perhaps verbal taunts.
Peter Richard? Wait!
Michael Richard, witnessed by Brenda Richard.
Oh, that's me!
Yeah!
Do you have the bucket and the soap and everything? The hose is all ready to go?
Just about. The only thing I need to grab is a bucket now.
Glad we couldn't have found some Victoria's Secret stuff.
Yeah! We're gonna wait for Nate, or?
Somebody
Let me
get a picture of this. My Mike. My Mike.
How you going?
Aren't you proud of him? Alright. Yeah, you sexy bitch. You go.
My little touch on the catwalk.